Ẹdẹ màpó àrógun ẹ̀yin ọmọ ajílàlá ọ̀ṣọ́ ọmọ ajíṣọ̀ṣọ́ ẹ̀yin ọmọ ajífọjọ́ gbogbo dára bí egbin ọmọ àgbàlé ìlú tìmì ọlọ́fà iná ọmọ arógun má fi tìbọn ṣe ọmọ alápò tìẹ̀mí. Let us celebrate one of your own. Today is unique in the life of the Executive Director, Center for Black Culture and International Understanding, Osun State, Nigeria. Shiyan Oyeweso, born on 1st February 1961, is a distinguished alumnus of the University of Ife, Ile-Ife, now called Obafemi Awolowo University. He enrolled for BA Honors degree in History, having completed a meritorious secondary education at Okeragbiji Grammar School, Iragbiji, my second home. He graduated with second-class upper division in History. He bagged MA History and PhD Intellectual History. Oyeweso started his academic career in 1985 as an assistant lecturer in the Department of History, Lagos State University, Ojo, Lagos State. He attained the rank of Lecturer 2 in 1987 and was promoted to Lecturer Grade 1 in 1989. He became a senior lecturer in 1992. He was appointed an associate professor in 2001 and a professor in July 2004. Oyeweso is a professor of history and one of Nigeria's leading academics who has authored dozens of books and over 150 publications in chapters in books and articles in knowledge journals. His contributions to Nigerian history span fields of military and strategic studies, culture history, Nigeria's Islamic culture, Yoruba interstate warfare, Nigeria's identity question, among others. This Ede-born professor is a member of several professional associations such as the Historical Society of Nigeria, Nigeria Folklore Society, African Society of International Affairs, Legal Studies Association, Africa Peace Research Association, Society for International Relations and Strategic Studies, Legal Studies Association, Council for the Advancement and Support for Education, African Studies Association in the United States of America, among others. He is also an external examiner to at least 20 Nigerian universities and a consultant to many universities on strategic planning, quality assurance, fundraising, and international best practices. This done, Professor Shiyan Oyeweso has been honored with a 3-volume first script by academic colleagues in Nigerian universities. He was honored in Critical Perspectives on Peace, Conflict and Warfare in Africa. He was honored in Critical Perspectives on Language, Communication and Library Studies. He was also honored in Philosophy, Islamic Culture and Society in Nigeria. Professor Oyeweso is a fellow of the Historical Society of Nigeria. He has been a fellow of this society since 2011 and a life member of the Historical Society of Nigeria. This Don is the editor-in-chief of African Nebula, a peer-reviewed multidisciplinary journal. He is a member of the Council for the Advancement and Support for Education and a holder of Advancement and Resource Mobilization Certificates from Cape Town in South Africa. Professor Oyeweso was recently conferred with the highly prestigious fellowship of the Nigerian Academy of Letters. This is the apex organization for all academic associations in humanities scholarship in Nigeria. Professor Oyeweso has served as member of Governing Council of Osun State University. He has equally served as member of Governing Council, Federal Polytechnic, Ede, Osun State, Nigeria. Professor Oyeweso is one of the pioneer staff of Osun State University, a leading state university in Nigeria. This Meliori compilation transcends beyond the sphere of 68th birthday and academic merits of our amiable and onomatopoeic giant Professor Oyeweso to high, supersonic and ubiquitous trajectory of artistic play. This innovative work of art from his Aburu is a complete anthropomorphosis in the theater of ecumenism mirrored by Shiyan. Indeed, the celebration of this intellectual agonist in his lifetime has species of admirers including myself have done via diverse instruments of praise, encomium, accolades, and thanksgiving to God deserves gracious reasoning. By font of providence, I met for the first time this resilient Osha, humility personified, outstanding achiever, pace setter, and academic icon at the Osun State University Osogbo in 2010 as provost of the College of Humanities and Culture, Ikire campus. The celebrant is very hardworking and penetrating visionary who brilliantly attained the zenith of his academic pursuits. The man who qualifies his academic constituency with distinction, Professor Shiyan Oyeweso, is an Olympianite in the cynosure of the critical mass, a quintessential persona in lifting the indigent, a bridge builder between the haves and have-nots. Congratulations on your birthday, Shiyan Oyeweso. I celebrate this dawn on behalf of all your colleagues from Osun State University, Osogbo. Shiyan Oyeweso, you are celebrated. Congratulations on your birthday. We wish you long life and prosperity. Almighty God will continue to guide your steps. He shall continue to grant you long, healthy, and prosperous life. Congratulations, Prof. Igba ọdún ọdún.